Alright, this video is going to be how to install your fret tuners. So the hardware is going to come like this. You have the tuner, the little cover for the front, and you have two screws here. It's pretty self-explanatory. The tuners go in correspondence with the holes that we created. So, for instance, if I'm going to do this one, I'm going to match it up with the holes. It's there. I'm going to use a power drill. You can use a hand drill if you'd like, but that's about it. Be careful when you do this. You don't want to over drill or, worse, strip the screw because you only have one set of screws for this hardware. You may need to, like I'm doing, start it with a manual screwdriver. You can even install the entire thing with a manual screwdriver if you'd like. The other hole there. Like this. Be really careful because at this point your ukulele is mostly finished. Might even be painted. You'll see the tuner peg comes up like this. The front of these can have this little guy. We can just glue that on the front. That'll make it cover the hole and look nice. So if I install those tuner pegs,